Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I'm here to basically tell you that if any of you are out there suffering from chronic conditions, health-related issues that you just can't figure out why, I am here to take you on my functional medicine journey to help you become a better version of yourself. I want you to think about chronic inflammation and chronic conditions and understand that what we put in our bodies will really determine how well we live. Let's take a minute to understand chronic conditions and, more importantly, chronic inflammation. Now, I don't want you guys thinking, oh no, here's one of these gluten, dairy-free kicks that we're on. We just know that gluten and dairy are known to be inflammatory, and the only way that you can really understand if it's an irritant or you're sensitive to it is to eliminate it for a certain period of time, and then you can reintroduce it to see how you feel. That's the kicker. How do I feel? I want you to eat foods that give you energy, that make you feel good. Foods that make you tired and groggy, or if you get bouts of diarrhea and constipation, that's usually a sign that your body's telling you something's not right, this is not good for me. And when we constantly inundate ourselves with this, that is where we lead ourselves into chronic conditions. So I am here to put together tips and recipes that I have come across the way to help myself feel better and live a better version of myself, make it super easy, funny. We'll send tons of bloopers, believe me, I have plenty of those. And I can't wait to share this journey with you all.